morning students, welcome to our online class. So student, today we are going to start our revision portion and exercise chapter 7, exercise 7.2, okay, which is chapter 7, exercise 7.2. Yes, student, we know that in this chapter we will learn about congruence. Okay, so how many types of congruence property? First, SAS, second, SSS, third, SAS. Okay, so all these about all this congruent property we have learned about it. So again only revise. Okay, we will be do only revise. Okay, so first one is which type? SSS congruence criteria. ठीक है, SSS. First one is SSS means side side side. SSS means side 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 congruence criterion. Congruence criterion. Okay, so first one is SSS congruence criterion means in this criterion property, congruence criterion property, okay, SSS, it's about side side side. Okay, side 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 means if in one triangle, okay, three sides are there. Okay, one triangle, three sides are there. Okay, so if three sides of one triangle, it will be congruence. It will be congruence respectively same side of triangle. Okay, it's a congruence property. Means अगर एक ट्रायंगल के तीनों साइड इक्वल हैं तो दूसरे ट्रायंगल के भी तीनों साइड क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. ओके, लेट्स वी कैन सी थ्रू द एग्जांपल वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. यस, नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इफ द ट्रायंगल वर्थ A B C. ओके, सो it will be the so by this congruence criterion property, side congruence property we can understand, we can say, ठीक है, three sides it will be congruence with the same triangle. Okay, same other triangle. Okay, its name will be changed PQR. Okay, so means their sides will be equal. Okay, so sides, first side AB. Okay, AB is equal to PQ. Okay, AB equal to PQ. AB equal to PQ. Next, BC, side BC, it will be equal to QR. Okay, next AC, again it will be equal to PR. AC equal to PR. Okay, means SSS congruence criterion we can say, okay, property according to congruence criterion property, if one triangle, okay, their sides are equal, then other triangle also their sides will be equal. Okay, means अगर एक ट्रायंगल में तीन साइड है और वो इक्वल है तो वो सेम उसके दूसरे ट्रायंगल से भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इज SSS. All properties are there. Okay, it's given in your book. Now easily you can read SSS. And second one, SSS criterion. SAS congruence criterion means side angle side. Okay, means side, two sides at angle also it will be equal to the other triangle of other side and angle of triangle. ठीक है, means two sides and one angle. And next one is ASA. Okay, SSS congruence criterion first one, and second one SAS congruence criterion. ठीक है, third one is ASA. Third one ASA means two angle and side. Okay, means angle two or side. If in one triangle two angle and one side is equal to be the other triangle of two angles side. Clear? Next, so in the three these are three congruence rule. Okay, and fourth one RHS congruence criterion also. Okay, all this criterion is given in your book, you can read them. And now we are coming in our exercise. First number question, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? Which criterion? Means in this question diagrams are given, and now we have to give which type of criterion are using. Okay, which type of criteria is using in this question. So first number question, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? Question number first, which congruence criterion do you Question number first, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? Do you use in the following? Question is, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? First number question, AC equal to DF given. A number AC equal to DF. ठीक है, AC equal to DF, AB equal to DE, AB equal to GE, and next one BC equal to EF, and so triangle ABC, it will be congruence with triangle DEF. Okay, means two triangles will be there. First one A, B, C, and second one same triangle D, E, F. ठीक है, D, E, F. So in this question, which type of congruence it's using? So first one you can understand AC. Okay, so firstly you have to see the question. Okay, which type of question is here? ठीक है, it's about side or it's about angle? Clear? So side. Here you can understand AC equal to DF. AC. Where is AC? AC. AC is side. ठीक है? Is equal to be DF. DF. DF मतलब this side. Okay? Means AC equal to DF. Means their sides are equal. Okay? Of two triangles. दो ट्राइंगल के साइड्स यहाँ पे दोनों इक्वल हैं. So which type of congruence property? Okay, means S will be there. First, second one also AB equal to DE. AB is also in AB's side and it will be equal to DE. Okay, also their sides are equal. So again S, and third is BC equal to EF. BC is this side. Okay, and also this side will be equal to this side EF. So now we can say DC equal to EF, again S side. Sides are equal. So which type of congruence property? Side. Because of now you can see AC equal equal to DF, AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF. These are sides. These are sides and these are equal to the other triangle of other sides of triangle. So easily we can understand this is SSS, side congruence property. ठीक है. Next, second number question you have to solve it. Okay. You want to show question number 2. You want to show that triangle ART is congruent triangle PEN. ठीक है. Question, you want to show that triangle ART is congruent triangle PEN. So first number question, if you have to use SSS criterion. ठीक है. अगर आपको SSS क्राइटेरियन शो करना होगा तो यूज करना होगा, तो आपको किसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी? तो फर्स्ट नंबर AR. ठीक है. AR. So AR is equal to next other side ना. तो AR means you have to make two triangles firstly. First one it's given ART. Second you have to make. Okay. First number triangle it's given and second you have to make it. Okay. So AR equal to P. Now you can solve it. Okay. दूसरा ट्राइंगल आप बनाइए और दूसरा बनाने के बाद उसको नेमिंग कीजिए. अब उसका AR वाला जो साइड होगा, जैसे मान लीजिए ये ट्राइंगल है ना, इस ट्राइंगल में A और R यहाँ है, तो ये किसके साइड के इक्वल होगा? मान लीजिए हम इसको P M N O देते हैं, तो ये AR किसके इक्वल होगा? MN के इक्वल होगा. सो AR इक्वल टू MN. ठीक है. Now like this you all have to solve it, all question from first and second also. Okay, thank you.